Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to open attachment in AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna find options like Mail, Home, Receipts and subscriptions. You're gonna have to tap on Mail, then look for the mail that has an attachment in it. Open the mail. Now to open an attachment, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on that attachment. Now once you've tapped on that attachment, in a couple seconds you can see that attachment has been opened in AOL Mail. And guys, that's it. That's how you open an attachment in AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.